In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a file in a Confluence page. This is a helpful skill if you're looking to keep your team documents organized and accessible. We'll take a step-by-step approach so that it's easy to follow along. To begin, let's start from the Confluence homepage. If you're new to Confluence, the homepage is your starting point where all your spaces are accessible. It's like your digital workspace that helps you organize everything you need. Once you're on this homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is to choose the workspace where you want to add your file. Workspaces in Confluence serve as dedicated areas for your projects or teams, making it easier to keep all related documents together. Selecting the right workspace ensures that your file will land in the right hands. After you've selected your workspace, navigate to the page where you wish to insert your file. Pages in Confluence are akin to documents within the workspace, where all relevant content can be collected. Clicking on the correct page is crucial, as it sets the stage for the next steps. Once you're on your desired page, you'll want to click on the Edit button. This action will enable you to make changes to the existing content or add new content, like your file. With the page in edit mode, you're set to insert your file. Look for the option that says Add Image, Video, or File. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on this option gives you a gateway to enriching your page with multimedia content or important documents. Right after selecting the option, proceed by clicking on the Upload button. This is your cue to bring that file from your computer into Confluence. Now, it's time to find the file you want to upload from your computer. This could be anything from a report to a presentation deck. Browse your computer to locate the file, then click Open. Thinking ahead, it's always a good idea to ensure your file name is relevant and organized so that anyone accessing it will know exactly what it contains. This is a small step that can save time and avoid confusion later on. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted a file into a Confluence page. Don't forget to save the changes you've made on your page so none of your efforts go to waste. By following these steps, you'll be able to maintain a well-organized documentation system that will benefit your entire team. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy organizing with Confluence!